Okay, welcome back to Subject Science. While you are away, please don't wait to become a member of Subject Science. This is rock forming minerals property. Part 6 Amphibole. Rock forming minerals, physical and optical property, which is amphibole. Amphibole, it is a group of ionosilicate minerals that form prism or needle crystals. These minerals consist of double-chain silicon tetrahedra, which are linked at vertices and typically contain ions of iron and magnesium in their structures. Okay? Amphibole is the most rock-forming minerals, ionosilicate mineral, and their crystal structure is prismatic or needle-like structure. This is a common feature of silicon tetrahedral double-chain silicate minerals. Okay, the most known members of the amphibole group include minerals of Hornblende, Actinolite, Tremolite, and Amphibole. The most common. Amphibole is a group of minerals, okay? From amphibole group, the most common Hornblende, Actinolite, and Amphibole are the three most common amphibole group minerals. These minerals have varying composition based on the element present with calcium, magnesium, iron, aluminum, silicon, and sometimes sodium being common constituents. Okay, thus the Hornblende, Actinolite, Tremolite, and Amphibole minerals have variety of composition because the presence of calcium, magnesium, iron, aluminum, and silicon elements present with these minerals. Okay. We have seen here are some key points about amphiboles. Okay, the first one is composition. Amphiboles are composed of double chains of silicon tetrahedral. Yeah, we have seen. Not like pyroxene. They contain essentially hydroxide or halogen like fluorine and chlorine. The basic structures of amphiboles is a double chain, whereas pyroxene have a single chain structure. Okay, the differentiate between amphiboles and pyroxene is that amphibole is a double chain, whereas pyroxene is a single chain silicate minerals. The second most diagnostic feature or properties of amphibole minerals is crystal structure. Amphibole crystallize into two crystal systems, monoclinic and orthorhombic crystal system. Their cleavage planes form oblique angles around 120 degrees. They have two sets of cleavage. The angle between the cleavage is 16 out 120 degrees. Distinguishing them from pyroxene, which have cleavage angles of approximately 90 degrees. Okay, both amphiboles and pyroxenes have two sets of cleavage, but their difference is the angle between the cleavage. In amphiboles, the cleavage angle is 16 out 120, whereas in pyroxene is the angle between the cleavage is 90 degrees. The third important physical properties of amphibole or the diagnostic features of amphibole is color variation. Amphibole can show various colors, including green, black, colorless, white, yellow, blue, or brown, due to the impurity or chemical structure or composition that cause these variations of color. Okay, the fourth characteristics or diagnostic feature is occurrence. These minerals are found in both igneous and metamorphic rock. What minerals? These are both igneous and metamorphic rocks. They are the primary constituents of amphibolites. Okay, in amphibolites, the primary constituent. The fifth and the last most important properties of amphibole mineral groups are structure. Amphiboles have a unique structure with double chains of tetrahedra. Metal ion connect the shells, forming the complete crystal structure. Okay, so we have seen the descriptions of the three most amphibole group minerals. That is Hornblende, Actinolite, and Tremolite, based on physical property. We have distinguished the three basic amphibole group minerals such that Hornblende, Actinolite, and Tremolite. We have seen this one by one based on their physical property. Okay, the first one is Hornblende. Hornblende, the first one, the chemical formula, so calcium, sodium, 2, 3, magnesium, iron, aluminum, aluminum Si, silicon, 8O, 22, OH, fluorine, 2, their chemical formula, okay? Appearance, opaque, green, dark green, brown, or black. The crystal structures of Hornblende is monoclinic, forms cylinder prismatic, or blooded crystal. The crystals of Hornblende is what? Monoclinic, or it is prismatic or blooded. Cleavage plane, it is intersect at 60 or 56 out of 124 angles cleavage to 6 of cleavage. The color, usually black, dark green, or dark brown. Most of the time, Hornblendes are black. Pleochroic in shades of brown and green. Less commonly yellow or red brown. So the color of Hornblende is black most of the time. Cleavage. Cleavage exhibit a diagnostic cleavage angles of approximately 60 up to 120 when viewed in this section. Okay, the cleavage for Hornblende is 60 up to 120. Luster, vitreous luster, streak, white or colorless, brittle often. Okay, the streak is white or colorless. The streaks of the Hornblende common. It exists in igneous and metamorphic rock like granite, gabbro, and schist. Okay, the second most amphibole group mineral is actinolite. Their chemical formula is this one we have seen here. Appearance creamy, white or green, the appearance of the actinolite, and occurrence found in metamorphosed mafic to intermediate rocks. Okay, which is exist in mafic to intermediate rock. The color is bright green to gray green intersection. Okay, the color bright green to gray. The streak is white. Vitreous is silky, or the vitreous is silky, and it is logated. We have seen here it is logated and brown green. Okay, it is brown green color, and it is like a circular structure. This one. This is actinolite. The third and the last amphibole group mineral is Tremolite. The chemical formula is this one. The color is brown, white, green, gray, or transparent. Color typically gray to blue. Okay, here we have seen a streak bluish gray or pale gray is a streak, and we have seen within this image here with this almost elongated and it almost colorless or white. This one color. Okay. Don't let's to a member of subject science. Thank you more. This is part 6 rock forming minerals, physical and optical property. That is amphibole group mineral with their physical property. In the next episode, we will see about the optical properties of amphibole minerals. Thank you more. See you. Don't forget to become a member of subject science.